In preparation for installing your ionizer, I would like to take a moment to walk you through the items that are contained in your box. Operation manual, 2 1/4-inch water hoses, a shutoff quick connect, a diverter valve with adapters to connect to all different faucet sizes, a pH reagent solution to help you test for what the pH of the water will be after flowing out of the ionizer, a dust filter, a quick connect adapter elbow, plumber's tape, the stainless steel spout, and the acidic water hose.